So, you want to make money playing video games? Well, you have come to the right video, my friend, because I'm going to show you how you can do it. Just stay tuned. Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum, this is Danish and welcome to my channel Affiliates Den. Before we get into the topic, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I release my new video. Okay, so you want to play games and make money simultaneously. Well, that's possible, good, because thanks to the good fellas at Playtest Cloud, you are now actually able to do this. Now, this company is based in Germany, and I've gone through this website, very decent website, and they don't look like they're a sham or no signs of being a fraudulent website, but you never know. So, along with you guys, I will try it myself. As far as I can tell about this website, some big names. Well, not some. I only know this Ubisoft because I've always been a very Splinter Cell fan, big time Splinter Cell fan. So Ubisoft is something which caught my eye instantly. These people, they have started this venture on behalf of cell phone video gamer development companies, and even though they're in Berlin, most of their testers are from UK, US, and Canada. But that's not limited to those countries. You can sign up from anywhere. You just need to click over here, become a tester, and they'll ask you a couple of questions. Email, full name, blah blah blah. What kind of gaming do you like? Which country you want to see? Numerous countries, so you don't really have to worry about that as long as you are able to use PayPal in your region. Yes, the payments are made through PayPal, and they just per testing they pay you from $5 to $9, and they in 4 or 5 days the amount is just transferred to your PayPal account. Yes, you don't have to wait for weeks or months. They just keep on sending the funds into your PayPal account as long as you keep on keep on testing their games or apps. But you don't have the list. It's nothing. It's not like that. You log into this website and then go to a place or some dashboard where all these games are available to be tested. They send you an invitation through email, and from there you are instructed how to download the game into your cell phone and how to test the application or the game. All you need is your cell phone, headphone, operating system, Android or Mac, and a PayPal account. That's all you need to do to jump on this. And I think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not exactly something that is going to pay your bills, but it can be called a side income in a way. Yeah, some extra cash laying around at the end of the month. That's always good. So you don't depend your livelihood on this, but still, since this channel is about how to make money online, I share whatever opportunity I see on the internet. But if you want to learn how to pay bills and solely depend on income which is being generated from internet, passive income, then do go to the description of this video. I have shared 2 links, which one of them is for a free webinar, free ebook, which shows you how to convert your passion into an online business. It's a completely free book. Just click the link and I'll send you the book. Just all you gotta do is share an email address and I'll send it over to you. The second link, however, is something else. It's a free funnel, ready for you, done for you funnel giveaway. It's a ready-made sales funnel for you to optimize according to your niche and start promoting your sales page. And it's all done for you, and you'll be pretty satisfied with it. So try it out and leave your comments. Like the video, please, if you can, and I'll see you till next time. Bye bye.